can change security settings with AnCrypto at your convenience. To know how, let's watch this video. On the application's dashboard, you can see the user icon at the top left corner. Click on it. Now, select the security option. Here you will find two options. Option number 1 is App Lock, using which you can enable or disable the app PIN. If you disable the app PIN, you can open the app without any PIN code. The second option is to change the password. If you want to change your password, click on the Change Passcode option. Now, you have to enter the previous passcode here. After you enter the old passcode, you will be asked to choose New Passcode for the app. Enter the new passcode and confirm it. Your passcode is now changed. That's how easily you can manage the security settings for the AnCrypto wallet.